Overcoming the tension of failure can be challenging, but these 5 tips can help you cope with it. Number 1, change your perspective. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity rather than a negative outcome. View it as a stepping stone toward success and growth. Number 2, set realistic expectations. Avoid setting overly high expectations for yourself. Understand that failure is a natural part of life, and it doesn't define your worth or potential. Number 3, analyze and learn. Take time to analyze what went wrong and what you can learn from the experience. Use failures as feedback to improve and make better decisions in the future. Number 4, practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself and practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same understanding and support you would offer to a friend facing failure. Number 5, focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Shift your focus from achieving perfection to continuous improvement and forward momentum. In short, by implementing these tips, you can gradually free yourself from the tension of failure and develop a more resilient and positive mindset. Remember that setbacks are a natural part of life, and they can ultimately lead to greater achievements in the long run. Thanks for watching the video. Do like the video and subscribe Mr. Guide for more tips, tricks, and suggestions regarding topics of life.